Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Taste of Teranga. I know it's been a long time, but I'm back again. So today I'll show you how to make Ngalakh step by step. For the ingredients we will need sugar, vanilla extract, vanilla sugar, banana essence, nutmeg, orange blossom, peanut butter, raisin, chocolate, and baobab powder. Let's go, guys. Now let's prepare our peanut butter base. In a large bowl, as you see right now, I add the chocolate and the peanut butter. I'm going to add the baobab powder for that sweet and slightly tangy taste, just like this. And add some hot water to make it soft and to make it mix it easily. Okay, and if you never try it, it's really easy to make it home. Let's mix it all together until we have a smooth paste and let it sit for 1 hour. Alright guys, our peanut butter base is cooled down, so I'm going to strain it so we can have a clear and net base, as you see now. And look at that texture. And this is where the richness comes from. Now I'm going to add some sugar, and you have to adjust to your liking, okay? And as I always said, it's not the right or the wrong way, it's my way to make things, okay? Let's add the vanilla extracts and add the orange blossom water and add some banana essence. If you have other flavor like ananas essence or something else, you can use it. It depends on you, okay? And add some vanilla sugar and add some another extra vanilla sugar, because I had 4 vanilla sugar. Okay, I will do 2 others for the Millet couscous. Okay, now mix it all together and let it sit for a couple hours in the fridge while I'm making the Millet couscous. Okay, see you guys. Our Millet couscous is soft, already hydrated with hot water, ready to steam in the microwave. Now I'm going to add some butter. Come on. Add some vanilla sugar. You remember the vanilla sugar that I reserved while I was making the peanut butter base? Yes, that's it. I'm adding 2 of them. Add some coconut powder. You can add as much you want. Add some nutmeg, not too much because I already add some while I was steaming it. Add some raisin and mix it all together. Our Millet couscous is ready. You can eat it like this because it's a lot of flavor, but we're going to mix it with our peanut butter base. Now it's time to mix it. Just 1 scoop and put it in the peanut butter base. Look at that texture. Take your time mixing. This is where everything comes together. The Millet couscous soak it up that rich peanut butter flavor. And that's it, guys. You ready to enjoy? This is our Ngalakh Senegalese peanut butter dessert. You can have it for dinner, you can have it for dessert, you can have it for snacks. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing recipes. Bye.